Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to sign out of Netflix app on a smart TV. This is their latest redesign version. So let's check it out. This is how the old Netflix design looks. You can see the homepage design. We have the options on the left side here. If you still have this design and if you want to sign out, then go to the left side and go to the bottom, and here we should not select exit Netflix. This will only close the app and not sign out. We have to choose get help here. Select this. And here on this page, go down and choose the sign out option. That's all we have to do. But if you have the latest redesigned Netflix version like this one I have on our Google TV Streamer 4K device, you can see the difference here. All the options are now at the top. They tried it a bit minimal. If you have this version and if you want to log out of your Netflix app, then go to the top and then go to the left side and choose your profile icon. Here select get help. And now go down and select the sign out option here. Select this. Are you sure that you want to sign out? Yes. That's all we have to do. Now we can use any other Netflix login details we want. That's all. If you are away from your TV and if you want to sign out of Netflix app on your smart TV, then you can go to netflix.com on your browser and sign in there. Then select the profile you are using. Go to account, then go to security, and here under access and privacy, select manage access and devices. Here we can manage signed in devices. We can find the list of signed in devices that are using our Netflix account. We can select the smart TV that we want to sign out and select sign out. This will sign out of the Netflix app on our TV. That's all. These are the steps to sign out of Netflix app's latest redesign on our smart TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.